A glazed pass-through with a hygienic shelf and protective tempered glass transforms traffic flow and safety when serving meals in a big family house. Design the pass-through to be at a comfortable serving height between 30 and 36 inches, and make the opening wide enough for 2 full serving trays side by side so transfers are quick and stable. Use sliding tempered glass that seals when closed to prevent airborne droplets and pests from moving between the kitchen and the family space while still allowing visual connection. Include a continuous shelf surface of at least 12 inches depth built with antimicrobial solid surface material, so trays rest securely and can be wiped down in seconds. Integrate a shallow drawer under the shelf with compartments for napkins, disposable utensils, and sanitizing wipes so staff or hosts can prepare a set for each tray without returning to cabinets. Fit brush or soft foam seals along the glass edges so when the sliding panels are shut, the gap is minimal and air movement is reduced without causing friction when opening. Plan the pass-through lighting with a warm task light above the shelf and an under-cabinet strip in the kitchen side for even illumination that avoids glare on the glass. Common mistakes start with undersized openings that force traffic back into the kitchen, which defeats the purpose. So measure realistic tray and plate widths and size the aperture accordingly. Another mistake is using single pane glass or glass without proper tempering, which risks breakage and hygiene issues, so always specify tempered safety glass and ensure it slides smoothly on corrosion-resistant tracks. A third issue is neglecting seals and drainage, so condensation or spills migrate between rooms, so include tight edge seals, a slight downward slope toward the kitchen with a concealed drip channel, and a routine wipe protocol to keep the area dry and sanitary. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and share project ideas like glazed pass-throughs for safer hosting. On our site, we build a discussion community where we and other members exchange tips, source recommendations, and real-world lessons to help homeowners and contractors find work and solutions.